Hey y'all, let's check out this 2016 Toyota Sienna with the Freedom ramp. I'll do a little walk around demonstration and show you how it works. Point out any items as we come across them. There's a little scratch here and some scratches down there. Overall, clean vehicle. This is a rare setup. It's a Freedom Motors Toyota rear entry conversion with a power rear ramp, so I'll show you that. Good tires all the way around here. There's a scratch here. This does have the backup sensors here, and it's rare because it is the XLE package, so a lot of times you'll see the rear entry put onto the base model. This is definitely not the base model. Couple scratches here. Little dent here. Okay, so with the vehicle unlocked, this comes with a second remote here. So to open the system, we need to open the tailgate first. So we're going to give a good press onto the tailgate button here from Toyota. Once that tailgate is open, then you can use the Freedom remote. We're going to press and hold on the one button. You have to press and hold the whole time that it's working. This is a safety feature so that if you release the button, it's going to stop what it's doing. This vehicle also has a kneel on it, so you have a really nice low angled ramp. Single platform ramp there, it doesn't fold or anything. And then you have this nice wide channel here. Spare tire has been remounted on the side there. And then you have wheelchair lockdowns for this position, the second row here, or excuse me, third row. And then in the second row position up there, you have the lockdowns. This one also has an EZLock installed in it, so you can use the manual straps or that. And then you have a seat here on the left and then the two seats up front. Like I said, this is an XLE and it's a loaded XLE, so you actually have a DVD screen here with the remote. You've got the leather interior here. And then this is the newer touchscreen infotainment system here. You've got heated seats, 3-zone climate control. So lots of good features on here. Moonroof that you wouldn't see normally on a car of this caliber. But this one was a special one that whoever paid for the conversion got a good chassis and conversion. So then now we press the 2 button here to be able to close all that back up. You have to hold it until it's raised all the way back up. And then we're gonna hit the power liftgate button here. There's also a power liftgate button right on the trunk there too. And then this car of course has backup camera. And so that'll lock back down there. This is also advanced entry keyless. So to open the door, you pull on the handle here, and then to lock it, you just have to put your fingers over there. So that way you're not taking the keys out of your pocket or purse every time. Other than that, if you have any other questions, let us know. That is the 2016 Toyota Sienna, the Freedom rear entry power conversion. Thank you.